Hi and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's weekly market report. Important data points and economic calendar for the next week are on Tuesday, March 15th, Bank of Japan interest rate decision and US retail sales in the afternoon. On Wednesday, March the 16th, we have non-monetary policy ECB meeting, but all eyes will be on FOMC economics projections, Fed rate decision, and obviously Fed monetary policy statements and a press conference in the afternoon. On Thursday, March the 17th, Bank of Japan, Governor Kuruda is due to speak. We will get CPI index for Eurozone. And more importantly, for anybody who is keeping an eye on cable and UK listed stocks, would be a Bank of England interest rate decision and Bank of England minutes. From a technical levels, let's talk about euro dollar. Important point of control and important level of force support for euro dollar is at 10.66. Current support at 111. 111.08. Super Mario bazooka kind of misfired, unfortunately, and we saw the initial sell-off and then a massive rally after that. Maybe it was intentional, maybe his comments were not planned as carefully as they should, but anyway, market reacted to what he was saying, not what he did. Euro dollar appears to be bullish above this 111.08, potentially targeting further upside resistances towards 112.23, 112.96, 113 area, maybe even 113.75. Alternatively, if the price dips below 111.08, next logical level of support would be at 110.66, which is a cluster of these previous highs and lows. Only a confirmed loss of this 110.66 would change the intraday outlook to bearish, potentially targeting further downside supports towards 110.31, 109.86. DAX, yet again, a massive trading range in DAX, up and down, and then overnight on Friday it gapped up higher, and this appears to be a breakout above this previous swing high. Important level to watch would be at 98.52. By the way, this is DAX June's futures, DAX futures, 98.52. Upside resistances at 99.24, followed by 10,000, 10,090, above 10,090, 10,202, even 10,270 would be referenced on the upside. Alternatively, a swift return below this 98.52 would change that bullish outlook and potentially target further downside support towards 9,800, followed by 9,670 and 9,602. Yet again, S&P June futures appears to be showing this a breakout above this swing high. We saw a massive rally, then a pullback during ECB press conference, and then on Friday that was followed by a rally and a spike higher as well. Some heavy resistances on the upside. Important level to watch would be at 2008 half, 2008. Bullish above that level intraday, potentially targeting further upside resistances towards 2022, followed by 2039, even 2043. Alternatively, a swift return below 2008 would open up the way for the retest of further downside supports towards 2000, maybe even 1993, followed by 1985, 1980 on the downside as well. Gold, yet again, a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. Initial reaction in gold was a pullback to very important support at 1240 and a breakout from there, and then we saw a fade in that that kind of a spike on Friday as well. So this could be a retest of that very, very important support at 1240. Bullish above 1240 on intraday basis, potentially targeting further upside resistances towards 1270, 1284, 1291, even 1300. Alternatively, confirmed loss of 1240 support would open up the way for the retest of further downside supports towards 1232, 1217, 1210. Lastly, crude. We just got a confirmation on Friday that a meeting for OPEC and non-OPEC members to discuss potential production cuts in Russia is delayed and cancelled. But nevertheless, oil is still moving higher. With the sequence of these higher highs and higher lows, and the price action is trading above this clearly defined rising trend line. All eyes are on support at 37.20 level. Crude oil appears to be bullish above that very important level, 37.20, potentially targeting further upside resistances towards 39.34, 40, 40, even 41. Alternatively, corrective pullback to retest 37.20 and loss of that level would open up the way for the retest of further downside supports towards 36.06, followed by 35.30, followed by even 34.30. Thank you all very much for listening. Talk to you all next week. For the members, I'll speak to you on Monday during the live trading broadcast.